A few days ago, right, I tried coding, learning how to code using HTML, CSS, right? But the thing is, after going for some topics, I realized that coding is not that easy to learn. Okay, it's not that easy to learn, but there was a topic which I reached, right, where it was talking about learning how to use the forms, okay, Windows, right? More like learning how to use videos and inserting videos to the HTML5, and the language which was being written and the script which was being used, it was kind of like hard. So I had to keep on trying. Okay, the thing is, I skipped most of those topics because those ones were hard to grasp and to understand. More like, yes, those table files, those table data, table row was easy to grasp, right? But then when it comes to studying this topic, which involved about embedding a video file, it was too much for me because it was like you put a left hand side, right? Then either you put content or you write video. But then when it comes to the point where we want to insert some sources, some different sources, right? That's the point which when it became boring and kind of like hard. But somehow I'm just going to challenge myself and try to grasp those topic over time. Yeah, not in that hurry. Yes, I wanted to complete this book quickly, but it's kind of like hard, boy, guys. It's kind of like hard. So I'm just gonna proceed to the CSS. If the video part is needed, then I'm going to jump into that part. Okay, so with the looks of things, right? Can I say coding is hard to learn? Yes, it's kind of like hard to learn when maybe you're not that motivated to do it, right? But the moment you keep on repeating those topics which have been difficult for you, you tend to grasp them over time because it's kind of like, I don't know what the brain does it, how it does it, but somehow you get to grasp it over time. Because for me, HTML, I've never learned HTML before, but somehow I understand and I retain some of the things. But I think much practice is needed for someone to remember this code. It's not like you should be forced to remember, but I can say for someone to be efficient in writing or coding HTML, right? HTML, right? What he or she needs to do is to kind of like practice. I mentioned that earlier, but somehow, if you can't remember it, it's best for you to just what can I say? It's best for you to understand how it works. Then, when next time when you want to apply that function or that check or element, you just refer to the Google or that book again. Yeah. Okay, so speaking about Googling, right? So I've been browsing around through YouTube and watching some developers as they do on whatever they do on their right, programming and stuff, and talking about how to learn it, right? So, okay, I came across this website which almost everyone has been mentioning. Not everyone, but almost everyone has been mentioning. So this CS50 course which I have found, right? So what the thing is, since I was saying, okay, I'm having trouble memorizing some of the content in this book, or this book which is made by Ducket, right? The HTML and CSS, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through it, continue going through it. I know it's hard, but after going through it, right, then I will have a grasp knowledge by practical and reading that yes, this is how we do it, right? Then at the same time, I'll be taking this course which I've chosen, and I hope by that I will understand much about programming and maybe put myself, not maybe, so that I can put myself in a better position where I'm going to be better position that I can either either land a job. Yeah, so this is it for vlog number 3, 31 December 2022. Cheers, bye for now. Okay, remember, okay, what do you have to do, right? Don't forget to subscribe if you are new or maybe old. just as a token of appreciation to this channel, guys. Bye for now.